ZAS Robotics Sensor Kit. Master the language of sensors and electronics. Every robot begins with one fundamental capability, the ability to sense the world. Light, touch, temperature, movement, distance, sound. Sensors are how robots understand their environment. The ZAS Robotics Sensor Kit is the first product in the ZAS Foundational Robotics Series, designed to help students master the fundamentals of electronics, sensors, and robotic systems. For beginners, working directly with electronic components can feel overwhelming. Loose wires, confusing circuits, hours spent debugging simple mistakes. These frustrations often prevent students from developing confidence in electronics. That's why ZAS Robotics developed the Sensors Creative Board, a UK-engineered learning platform designed to simplify experimentation and accelerate learning. Instead of struggling with complex wiring, students can rapidly prototype sensor circuits and focus on what truly matters, understanding how sensors work. The ZAS Sensor Kit comes complete with everything students need to begin their robotics journey. The kit includes Sensors Creative Board, UK engineered, Arduino UNO microcontroller board, servo motor, OLED display, infrared sensor, ultrasonic sensor, touch sensor, tilt sensor, light sensor, Hall magnetic sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, 2 and 3 color LEDs, gas sensor, traffic light module, 9-volt battery connector, breadboard and jumper cables, NeoPixel LED strip, programming cable, basic electronic components including LEDs, buzzer, resistors, push buttons, everything required to start building real electronics projects, right out of the box. The Sensors Creative Board provides structured interfaces for sensors and displays. Students can quickly connect multiple sensor modules, OLED display for real-time data visualization, servo motor for motion control, LEDs and NeoPixels for visual feedback, buzzers for alerts and audio output. This allows students to prototype ideas rapidly while keeping circuits organized and reliable. Potentiometer, push-button switches, 3 LEDs, buzzer, mini breadboard, free connectors, 3x3 pin configuration. Free connectors and mini breadboard features expand the creativity board to connect any type of sensor in any combination. Imagination is the limit. Power on-off switch, DC power jack. Demonstrations of Kit-1, environmental monitoring. Measure environmental conditions in real time. Display live sensor data on an OLED screen and trigger alerts when conditions change. Students learn how sensors convert real-world signals into digital data. Motion and interaction detection. Detects interaction events. Students build responsive systems that react to the environment, the foundation of intelligent robotics. Distance and automation. Measure distance and trigger action. This introduces students to end-to-end control systems, where sensing and action work together. Multi-sensor system. Real robotic systems rarely use just one sensor. Students learn to combine multiple sensors to create intelligent systems that interpret complex environments. Learning outcomes. Students working with the sensor kit develop core skills including fundamentals of electronics and circuits, understanding sensor behavior and calibration, real-time data acquisition and visualization, microcontroller programming with Arduino, analog and digital signal processing, hardware debugging and troubleshooting, rapid prototyping of embedded systems, sensor integration for robotics applications. These are the fundamental skills required before building intelligent robots. Students progress through structured learning and creative experimentation. 15 structured laboratory lessons for foundational learning. 50+ take-home creative projects to build confidence. 10+ capstone projects combining multiple sensors. Projects may include smart environment monitors, home automation systems, interactive light systems, motion detection alarms, automated control systems, sensor dashboards with OLED displays, students move from simple circuits to complex multi-sensor systems. Preparing for advanced robotics. The sensor kit prepares students for advanced robotics topics such as autonomous robot navigation, sensor fusion systems, embedded AI applications, environmental monitoring, smart home automation systems. It builds the sensor intelligence layer that every advanced robot depends on. The ZAS Robotics Sensor Kit is the perfect starting point for anyone entering the world of robotics and electronics. With 10 sensors, structured interfaces, and a powerful Arduino platform, students gain hands-on experience building real electronic systems. The UK-engineered Sensors Creative Board transforms complex wiring into an intuitive learning experience, enabling students to prototype ideas quickly and develop strong engineering fundamentals. Because before robots can move, before they can communicate, they must first learn to sense the world. Visit our website, explore our GitHub, watch tutorials on YouTube, and take your next step into advanced autonomous robotics, starting today. In this advanced robotics journey, you are not alone. You have the support of the strong ZAS Robotics community. Follow us.